Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look. So to start off, I'm going to be priming my eyes with this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, and that was the first time I ever tried it and I enjoyed it. So now I'm just blending that out, and then I'm going to set it with a new powder, which you guys will see in a little bit. And then I show you a brush. I think it's the Wet n Wild fluffy brush. And then I'm going to be taking this new palette that I tried out, and it was the L.A.Colors ones, and I really liked the eyeshadow. It had really good pigment to it, and now I'm just blending that out, and then I just keep packing and blending, and then I repeat to the other eye. Then we're going to use this shimmery red color from the Roses palette by L.A.Colors, and we're going to pack that all over our lid. And of course we're going to do it to both of our eyes. And by the way, I did not show you my wing eyeliner, but I did put some on, and I used the e.l.f. liquid wing eyeliner. This is me showing you the winged eyeliner and how it turned out. And then we're gonna curl our eyelashes. And I tried out two different mascaras, and they're both by Wet n Wild. I'll have them linked down below. But I did not like this purple one, but I did like this blue one. But of course I had to also use my Maybelline one, which is in the next clip. And that is my all-time favorite mascara ever. Just an FYI. And then moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming my face with the Smashbox primer. And I think it's the first time I ever used it in this video. I really liked it. I highly recommend this primer if you guys were in need of a primer. But something I did not like was this foundation. I guess it was too dark for me, but it was their lightest color. It's like orange. But yeah, I think I didn't show you guys, but I think I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in there. And then I'm just gonna blend that all out. Again, I didn't show you the concealer, but the concealer I used is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Fair. After I blend that out, I put that under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. I'm gonna set it. And I also am trying out this powder in this video. It's the NYC Mosaic powder, and I'm setting my entire face with it. We're going to go back into the nude palette by L.A.Colors and line underneath our waterline just to balance out the eyeshadow. It really does help balance it out. Next, we're moving on to highlighter. And for highlighter, I used the L'Oreal one. And I put the highlighter on my cheekbones and my nose. Moving on to blush, I used two different blushes. I used a more orangey toned blush and then a more pinky toned blush to get like a blush that I really wanted. Now I'm setting my face with the Photo Focus setting spray by Wet n Wild, and then to finish off the look I just put put a pink lipstick on. Then I kind of just smeared that out. Then put a gloss on top. I did add a second lip color because I thought this one kind of went better with the eye look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.